Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today we're going to sew our skirt, as I said from last week. It's so simple, we're going to finish it today. And as usual, my camera is always okay, so we're going to finish it today. And as usual, I went ahead and did a couple of things, so I'm going to walk you through it. And today I'm at the machine and I'm gonna sew the dart and the zipper with you. But first of all, I think this is the front. The front is all done. Okay, the darts are done, pressed towards center front. Now my fabric frays a lot, so I serge it all around at the bottom and the side seam. Okay, and then the back also, you know, as usual, is 2 pieces, and this one has a kick pleat at the center back. So again, I serge it all around, but where it's slant for me to do the pleat, for me to serge it very smoothly and nicely, I clip it just a bit and then I serge it all around. Now, one side of the pleat is done, and then I'm going to walk you through the other side. I've done one pleat, but one more pleat I'm going to walk you through, and then I'm going to walk you through the zipper. And also, I did the under stitch for the kick pleat. Okay, so now let me adjust myself and then we'll take it from there. And also, don't forget, you need your zipper, you need your zipper foot, and then I have this hook and eye for the waistband. I hope you can see it. Okay, that's also a different kind of hook and eye. And you know that all my waistbands, I like to interface the whole thing, and then the side that is going to face your skin, I always like to stitch a long stitch just from the folded center of the waistband. I go in about a quarter or less than a quarter, and then I stitch all around and all the way. The only reason why I do that is after a couple of wash, sometimes the interfacing drops out, so that's why I put that stitch in there. Okay, so now let me adjust myself and then we'll take it from there. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I've pinned the dart and I'm going to sew that. From there we're going to do the zipper. Oh, let me put the iron on so have the iron ready so I can. I'm getting to the bottom of the dart, so I just take my time and then I back stitch and then I swing it off. Okay, that is done. How come it's so dark all of a sudden? Okay, now let's stitch both together, and then I'll go to the iron, press it, and we can put a zipper in. It's just a straight, simple skirt, so I want to finish it today. I just put on the iron, so it won't be even ready for. And again, I always like my zipper seam allowance 3/8, not 3/8, 3/4. I always mix up 3/4 with 3/8. Why? I don't know. So 3/4, and then the zipper, they ask for 7 inches. I'm doing 11 inches. As I said way back, I don't like putting on my skirt and then I have to wiggle back and forth, back and forth. I want to be able to just unzip and then I go. Okay, this is it. White on white is hard to see. I'll be right back. Ooh, 7 minutes already. My goodness. Hello there, I'm back. Listen, folks, I did the zipper already. I couldn't walk you through it because I way past my time. And I was hoping we'll finish today, but we didn't. So we'll continue next week. So this is the end of the video, and next week I will also talk to you about those that haven't responded to the gift that they want, but they haven't responded. 2 haven't responded, so I'll talk to you about it next week. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.